Why settle for ordinary drinkware when your drinks deserve to look just as good as they taste? Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with OETI, and these 4-pack reusable glass cups with lids and straw from Youeon have quickly become one of my favorite drinkware sets. This set comes with 4 glass cups, 2 white and 2 black, 4 matching silicone sleeves for extra grip and protection, 4 colorful stainless steel straws, 2 straw cleaning brushes, and a convenient storage bag to keep everything organized. I love that these cups are made of glass because they feel sturdy and durable. They're heat and cold resistant, which means I can use them for everything from hot coffees to iced drinks and smoothies. I also love how portable they are. They're easy to take with me whether I'm heading out, running errands, or just relaxing at home. What I appreciate most is that these cups are practical, reusable, and stylish enough that I naturally reach for them every single day. And that's just my point of view.